Ever wish you could skip writing complex DAX formulas in Power BI? Quick measures are your shortcut. These built-in tools let you create common calculations like running totals, year-over-year comparisons, and percent of total without touching a single line of code. Just select your fields, choose a calculation type, and Power BI does the rest. It's like having a DAX assistant built right into your dashboard. To access quick measures, right-click on a field in your Fields pane and select New Quick Measure. A window pops up with a list of predefined calculations. You'll see categories like aggregate, filters, time intelligence, and more. Each one is tailored to solve a specific business question. It's intuitive, fast, and perfect for analysts who want results without diving deep into DAX syntax. Let's say you want to calculate the percent of total sales by product. With quick measures, just select your sales field, choose percent of grand total, and pick the category field, like product name. Power BI instantly generates the DAX and adds the new measure to your model. You can now use it in visuals, slicers, or filters. No debugging, no syntax errors, just results. Quick measures aren't just for beginners. They're a productivity boost for pros too. Even if you know DAX, using quick measures can help you prototype ideas faster. You can inspect the generated DAX, tweak it, or use it as a learning tool. It's like scaffolding for your logic. Start with a quick measure, then customize it to fit your exact needs. Time intelligence is where quick measures really shine. Want to compare this year's sales to last year's? Choose year-over-year change from the time intelligence category. Select your date and value fields, and you're done. Power BI handles the date logic, calendar alignment, and DAX generation. It's perfect for financial dashboards, trend analysis, and executive summaries that need fast, accurate insights. Need to filter a measure based on a condition? Quick measures can do that too. Use the filtered value option to calculate metrics like sales only for a specific region or product category. It's a great way to create dynamic KPIs without writing complex calculate statements. Just pick your base measure, define the filter, and Power BI builds the logic for you. Quick measures are more than a convenience. They're a strategic tool. They let you focus on insights instead of syntax, speed up your workflow, and reduce errors. Whether you're building dashboards for clients or internal teams, quick measures help you deliver faster and smarter. Start using them today and see how much more efficient your Power BI projects can become.